In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from an image using Affinity Photo. This process is essential for graphic design, photography editing, or whenever you need to isolate a subject from its surroundings. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your image in Affinity Photo. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Open if you're starting from scratch, or Place if you're adding an image to an existing project. Once the image appears on your canvas, take a quick look at the Layers panel. If you notice a small lock icon next to your layer, this means it's locked. To unlock it, simply click on the icon, allowing you to work freely with the image. Next, it's time to rasterize the layer. This step converts the image layer into pixels, making it editable and ready for more advanced modifications. To do this, right-click on the layer in the Layers panel and select Rasterize. Sometimes, you may also see an option labeled Rasterize and Trim. Either choice is fine, but the key here is to ensure it's rasterized, which prevents any unexpected behaviors during editing. Now, head to the top left corner of the workspace and switch to Pixel Persona. You'll notice an icon that resembles a paintbrush. This mode is designed for pixel-level edits, perfect for tasks like background removal. With Pixel Persona active, you can start selecting the area you want to change. If your image has a simple or uniform background, the Flood Select tool is your best friend. It looks like a magic wand. Click on it, and then on the background. Make sure the contiguous option is enabled. This ensures that only the connected areas are selected, leaving your subject untouched. For images with a more complex background, opt for the Selection Brush tool, which you can quickly access with the shortcut W. Gently paint over the part of the image you want to select. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. You can refine your selection using the Refine Selection tool found in the Context toolbar. This tool is especially handy for intricate details like hair, fur, or any irregular edges. It provides a smooth transition between the subject and the background. If you've highlighted the background and your goal is actually to preserve the subject, you'll need to invert the selection. Do this by clicking on Select in the menu, then choose Invert Pixel Selection, or simply use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl/CMD plus I. Finally, with your background selected, press the Delete key. This action removes the background entirely, replacing it with transparency. Alternatively, if you've highlighted the subject instead of the background and wish to keep your edits non-destructive, consider using a layer mask. This way, the background gets hidden without permanently altering your image, giving you the flexibility to restore it if needed. And there you have it, a clean and seamless background removal in Affinity Photo. With these techniques at your fingertips, you'll be able to tackle any image with ease.